Hi, this is Shoaib Ahmed, and today I came across a very interesting question that someone asked me, "Hey Shoaib, these days agents are surrounding everywhere. Even you also create a video on agentic AI." So the best part of the question, he said, कि in 90% of implementation these days, people are trying to implement agentic AI to solve the use case. So he asked, "Thus, it is a right approach?" So my answer is no, it's not a right approach. It is very important to understand scope for any technology. In this video, I try to make it explain with some of the example. Let's take a example where to use agentic AI. So take a scenario that the task is to design a customer care chatbot for any e-commerce platform, and the responsibility of chatbot is to take care of refunds and returns. So in this scenario, your AI should be not only understand the semantics, but the AI also need to understand the tone, and as per the tone, the AI need to react. So in this is the direct use case of agentic AI. So there are multiple agents required to do so. Second use case, I'll give a live example that I implemented recently. So we developed a dialogue with data for one of the very big client, where the data is very complex, and the solution is in a way that the clients want to talk with the data to understand their profit and loss analysis, and lot of things are there, the tones, the semantics, and number of things. So that's what we use agents to give the 100% efficiency. Now I'm gonna talk like where not to use agent. It's important to understand. For example, like you are developing a chatbot to book a doctor appointment. So maybe semantic understanding is important, maybe not, because it's a direct flow. It's a direct chatbot. No need to use a agent. Second, like maybe there is a use case of prediction. So it's a direct use case. You have to predict something. No need to use agent. So why you make a technology complex, right? So I hope like in this video, like these are some example that I give you to make this thing clear. One statement, see, like if your AI need to not only understand semantic but also think smartly, so use agentic AI. But if not, so go with the traditional approach. If you like the video, please do follow, and thank you.